In this video, I want to show you the right way to set up your Facebook Business Manager so that you can create effective and converting ads. So there are some things you need to put in place, and this is what this video is going to help you do. The first thing you need to know is if you want to run ads like on Facebook, on Instagram, on Messenger, on Threads, on WhatsApp, and all of that, everything under Meta, you need to have this business manager interface, because this is where you can control everything from. And also you need to have your Facebook account, your regular Facebook account. So you want to go to facebook.com and log into your regular Facebook account. After that, you now want to go and search for business.facebook.com or business.com/Facebook. So this is simply the Meta Business Suite, and this is where you can do different things. This is a dedicated interface for running adverts across all of Meta apps, again, like Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Threads. Once you've logged in, it's going to help you pick out your account, but we need to create a business portfolio, and then we can now get into the ads manager, and then we can create a business account, we can create an ad account, we can create a Facebook pixel, we can create a payment method, and a whole lot of things. These are the things we need before we can start creating the advert. So if you click here where it says get started, you come to this interface. All right, so this is going to be the ads manager, and you have two options. Number one, you can basically just start running the ads directly in the page, but there are some limitations, and these are some of the limitations. You can just set up your advert and start creating your advert, but the right approach is you need to create a business portfolio first. The business portfolio is going to house all your business assets, like the Facebook page, the Instagram page, different pixels, and a whole lot of things. So we need to create a portfolio first. So you come here, click on create portfolio. A portfolio is simply the business itself. All right, so we want to have Instagram under the account, we want to have different Facebook pages, different ad accounts, different pixels, different everything inside one account. So it's going to bring you to an interface like this. If you click on the top here, you see that here we just have an asset. It's a business asset, but it is not a portfolio. So it's just basically a page. So you come here, you click on create portfolio. This is where you give your portfolio a name. So I'm going to call this one something like this. All right, and then you put your first name, your last name, and then your email address. So I've added the names and the email that I want to use, and I can just click on create. So after that, we have created our Meta Business portfolio. So inside of this portfolio now, we are now going to create the ad accounts, and then we are now going to create the pages. So if you come to the settings here, this is the settings. There are no pages here. You want to add a page to it. So this is where you can now do all your settings from. You can see your partners, you can see the system users, you can see the pages, you can see the ad account. So we want to create an ad account, and the ad account is how we actually pay for our ads. So we come here, we can simply just come here, click on add account, and we want to create an ad account. So come here, click on create new ad account, and give this ad account a name. So I'm going to call this ad account something like this. All right, and this time zone, you want to select your time zone. So if you're watching this video from Nigeria, you want to make sure that you are selecting the Lagos time zone. This is important because we want to set our currency to be the Nigerian Naira. So if you scroll down, you see somewhere like Africa Lagos. It should be under +1. So this is it right here. You select Africa Lagos. You come to the currency. Make sure that you select the currency that you prefer. Again, if you're a Nigerian, you use NGN, because this currency, you cannot change it later. So make sure you select what you want. Click here, come to next, say this ad account, want to use it for my business, and then you want to agree to the terms and the condition here, and then you click on create ad account. So the ad account has been created. Now we can add the payment info, which is basically how we add a payment method. Come here, click on add payment info. So the reason why we selected Nigerian Naira is so that it will be easy for us to fund it and pay for this advert. So again, make sure that the location and the currency are set to your preference. In our case, we are using Nigerian Naira. Come here, click on next. And from here, we have different payment methods. So pay by bank transfer is going to be the most convenient for us. So we can now click on next. So this is also how you add money to your account. So this is you can come here, add how much you want to add to this account. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep it at just 500, but you can add any amount that you want, and then you can just click on continue. So come here, click on open pay by bank transfer, and this is the bank account. All we have to do is just send 500 Nigerian Naira to this bank account, and it's going to be funded. So as you can see, 500 Naira has been added to this ad account or this payment method. So if you click on done, we have added everything that we need right here, which is the payment method and everything. Yeah, now let's come back to the pages, and this is where you can add the page. There's another way to do this, so I'm not going to do it from here. This is also how you connect the Instagram account to this account. All right, so this is one of the reasons why we created this portfolio. So we can add Instagram accounts, we can add WhatsApp accounts, we can add Thread accounts. If we come to the data sources here, we can create different data sets and pixels. We can add admins and a whole lot of things. So if you come to the ads manager, you usually see this, that you need to confirm a few details before you can add account. So if you click on that, again, this is a new ad account that we created. So we've added the ad account, but you can see what we've done. We've verified the email address, we've added the payment method, we need to add a phone number, and then we need to add a page to this ad account. So we want to verify the phone number. So you come here, click on phone number or add phone number. You want to select the country code. We are in Nigeria, so you can just come here, search for Nigeria, and just search for your own country. If you are not in Nigeria and you want to add the phone number right here. So after adding the phone number, you can click on next. So you can choose how you want to verify this phone number. We are going to use WhatsApp in this case. So you can use phone call, we are going to use WhatsApp. So after adding the code, you can click on submit. So if this code is correct, you can see that your phone number has been verified. So we've done three things. Now we want to put the page. So you can come to business settings. So you can come here, click on add page. So you can add an existing page that you own. All right, if you do not have the page, you can request access and you can create a new page. So we can just add the one that we own. So here you can add the page name, or the URL is going to bring the page, and you can just come here, click on next, select the page, click on next, and you want to give it the full access, which is you, and then give it agree right here, and then click on add the page. So again, they are going to send the code to WhatsApp. So once you type the code, you should be good to go. So this is the page now, and as you can see, this page has been added successfully. So now we have to add Instagram and WhatsApp and Threads gradually, but let me just show you so you know that our ads manager would now be ready if we wanted to start creating the adverts. So if you come to the ads manager, you come to campaign now, you should be able to start creating this advert. Again, remember that we still have, depending on what you are tracking or the kind of adverts you want to run, you still have to do even more setup. But this is going to be the basics for most people. So as you can see here now, we can just start creating our ads, and these are the steps that you need to have in place to set up your Facebook business account properly. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Noel. I'll see you.